Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a super fun haul and I'm so excited to be on here. I know I've been like kind of absent as of late, but I'm in the middle of like turning upside down my whole craft room. I'm rearranging a lot of stuff and I don't know, when I'm in the mood to do things like this, I just like to, I don't know, feed it. So, yeah, so I haven't been creating as of much and I'm kind of skipping Halloween. So, not kind of, I've totally skipped Halloween. And I'm really just trying to focus on Christmas. And after I saw this on Tony Craft Purge, thanks again, Tony, for enabling, I needed to have this collection in my life. Now, last year, all the rage was Santa Baby, and I still love that collection. I will still be using that collection. I think that that collection will be so great with this new Minte Sweetest Christmas collection, and mix it. They're just the colors just go together. But there's something about this collection that I'm absolutely in love with. It's that they incorporated some of the traditional colors. Now, there's a lot more red in this collection. Santa Baby is really more pinks and mints, but look at the Nutcracker. This is a traditional Nutcracker. So I love the use of traditional and the pastel colors. I'm living for this collection. And the most interesting thing with this collection is that they don't sell ephemera, but in their packaging, they incorporate the like cut it like some for things you to cut now. I wish I had a brother scan and cut, but look at all of these beautiful images. This Santa is absolutely so sweet. And I just bought a nutcracker die and I showed it in a previous video and I'll link that down below, but I am obsessed. I really just love nutcrackers in general. So this paper pad came with, well, the 12 by 12s came with 12 sheets. I did add additional papers just because I wanted to be one and done and just buy enough for me, for my stash. And this collection, and this is really the only place I found it at Frank's Studio, was $14.99. So I have an additional sheet of this. Again, so sweet. And this is what the regular cardstock looks like. It just says Merry Christmas in this beautiful script. But I really just bought it for this paper only because there's no ephemera pack. And then we have this gorgeous sheet here. On the 12 by 12s, generally there is gold foiling, but this one doesn't have it. But honestly, these images are more than enough for me. The shabbiness, it's just the prints are so pretty, and oh god, it just screams just fabulousness. I love that Santa. And just like how they tuck the gingerbread cookies, the houses, and the poinsettia, I mean, it's just so pretty. Look at this little sweet little scene over here. Obsessed. And just like the use of red, look, this whole thing is red and it just goes so well with the collection. Yeah, I'm just loving that it's this like kitchen with like a whole bunch of Santa goodness. This is the minty snowflake page. This is the gingerbread cookies and houses. So pretty. And this is just kind of like drawers, I guess, but I won't be using it for this. This is the page I will be using it for. I mean, oh, you guys, this is so pretty. Like the use of the peppermint, it's like giving me like embellishment ideas. I can't wait. It's so pretty. The back, again, not the page I will be using because this is just the winner for me. This is a fun like cut apart sheet. So pretty. Oh, the back's pretty too with the frames. And this is a beautiful peppermint Christmas tree The gingerbread star, the little setup over here, the scene. Such a gorgeous collection. And then I think this is just a repeat of what I'd shown before. Yeah, I did buy a couple of extra sheets just to have in my stash. Oh, I bought a lot of extras of these. Okay, and then I did buy the 6x6 paper pad just because I like to make embellishments with the smaller papers. And again, it's probably the same thing, but the packaging on this is genius. So on the back, they had used the images from the collections for you to cut apart, so really nothing goes to waste. And I think you get 2 of each. 4 of the 12 designs. So they repeat. Just do it this way. I do love the smaller scale of the images. It just makes it a lot easier to create projects with. But I do like to have the large pieces for decorations of like larger projects. Look how cute the smaller cut aparts are. Basically everything's the same. I'm obsessed with that peppermint tree. So cute. And then we just repeat all over again. So sweet. I love this collection. Okay. And then And then I have the new Dulce collection. Oh my God, Frank. You've outdone yourself. Outdone yourself. So I did win a giveaway challenge, not a giveaway challenge, a Holy Land challenge with Alicia, who's Wagman 510. She is soon to change her name, but I took my winnings to Frank Garcia. It was just like perfect timing. He had just announced that his store had the Dulce collection, and I was just like, okay, let's take our winnings to Frank's store. And I'm so happy with this collection. Honestly, it's a lot more, let's say, vintage, but I've been loving the shabby route. Look at that page. And it's so pretty. Look, this is like, there's just so much art to this. I mean, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit just so I don't have to hold it. But look at this. The cotton candy just reminds me of like that old carnival themed. I'm not sure, is he like a fairy? But he's so cute. And then I'm just going to go through. You get 4 of each because it's a Prima. And then we have a full cut apart sheet. My heart is full from this collection. Honestly. And don't get me wrong. I mean, the Carousel collection is stunning and just as beautiful. But look at this page. Oh my God. Just look at this back of this page. And it's just like, what? How beautiful and magical is that? I can't wait. This might be my, I don't know, you guys, all the holidays and like just keeping up with it, it's a lot. And I don't know, the collections that are coming out, they're killing me. As I just showed you 2 collections. This paper is just so pretty. Okay, we got this, and then I'll do the flip around so you can see the backs, only because this is a 12 by 12. There isn't any foiling in this. There's no foiling in this. Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. So there is a lot of unicorn usage in this one, and you can tell from the colors and vibe. We can only go up. Such a pretty image. Frank did an amazing job with this collection. I mean, honestly. Dulce. Oh my god. It's cotton candy. This bear on a bike. I'm obsessed with him. I could like use 50 of them. He's so cute. Isn't there a movie that has a bear on a bike? Okay, and then I'll just flip this around. And this is like a vintage carnival poster slash cut of part. And just like the usage of like the florals on the sides. So romantic. I mean, he took vintage and made it just absolutely stunning. He is a magician. And here's the next one. Look at that. So pretty. I'm loving the colors. This ticket page. Dying. With the border cupcake strip. Oh my god. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. This pink and white gingham. So cute. This like kind of crystal galaxy scene. Stunning. And then we have the floral ice cream and cotton candy. So pretty. I'm obsessed. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, and let's see. I did pick up the 6x6 as well. Again, I love using this for embellishments. The 12x12 is just a little bit too big. And it's the same collection basically, just on a smaller scale. I'm not sure if the pages are different. Just a quick little flip through. I don't remember seeing that in there. I'll cut a part sheet. Just flip it around. And this is $6.99 in the studio. Same thing. The pink and white gingham. I love that pink and white gingham. It's so sweet. And this like galaxy page. Ooh, if it was foiled, oh my god, forget it. So pretty. And then let's see what else I picked up. I did pick up a pack of the chipboard stickers. I wish I could buy so much more of these. They're so sweet. It's $5.99. So sweet. Okay, and then I did pick up 2 of the puffy stickers. Although I could use another like 50 packs of this as well. And a pack of the ephemera. I'm just not going to take them out yet because I'm not planning on creating with them. But here are the images. Again, the bear. I wish it was mine. Let's see, how much are these? $4.99. And they're really good sizes. There was another ephemera pack, but it looked like they were just large tags. And I'm trying to stay away from bigger pieces. So, yeah, I didn't pick that up. But I did pick up these beautiful Prima flowers. Because the colors, oh gosh, just so perfect with the collection. So I needed to have that. And then I have a small haul from Scrapbook Pal and Dollar Tree. So I picked up some liquid pearls. I have a special event coming up that I have usage for. So I've never tried liquid pearls, so I'm so excited. I'm trying to channel my inner Frank Garcia. And I picked this up in white opal and ballerina. So let's see how that works out. I did buy a paper distresser because I've always kind of wanted one. So I'm kind of excited to use this. So I don't have to use a scissor. I can just, run this through the paper. I finally picked this up. April had spritzed this on her gift bags and I love that gold look. So I picked this up. And then I did pick up a stencil. I'm trying to get back into mixed media. I have some in my stash that I haven't really played with in a while. So gonna give this a whirl again. And with the late Willa Lane, I think, had a music paper, and I don't know, I've just been kind of leaning towards music paper, so I picked this stencil up. Hopefully, yeah, I think it'll be fun to create with. And then I went to the Dollar Tree today just to buy some like storage bins, and I saw these two glitter glue, sparkly glitter glues, and I'm just not sure how the texture is. If it's like a, what's that? If it's just like a shimmery glue, but I thought I'd give it a whirl. This is Ice Baby Pink and this is Ice Mint Green. I thought this could be good with the Minte collection, so I did pick this up. And that is it for my haul, you guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I could come back with a project soon. I did record one, but I'm not ready to post it live, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.